Hey there, in this video I've pieced together an updated list of the best camping lighters on the market for you. Let's check them out. Number 1. Most popular. lcfun Waterproof Lighter Outdoor Windproof Lighter. The lcfun Outdoor Windproof and Waterproof Lighter are a plasma lighter you want to try. It has a metal ring sealed lighting cover and locking clasp. This gives the lighter an IP56 waterproof rating because water cannot seep inside the lighter. No need to worry about the rain getting in or it being ruined after dropping it in a puddle. Now it's a plasma lighter, so no need to replace any butane or gas for it to work. Just make sure the lithium battery is charged and you're good to go. Number 2. Tesla Coil Lighters USB Rechargeable Windproof Arc Lighter. This Tesla electric lighter utilizes electric plasma bolts to spark a light. Yup, rather than using gas, this lighter uses a battery to power itself. No hassle of butane gas. A full charge can give you 100 to 300 uses. You should use this lighter alongside a power bank and you'll have a much longer lifespan. We would also recommend making sure you've got the ability to generate your own power, so that you always have access to some sort of fuel no matter where you go. Number 3. Vertigo by Lotus Cyclone Triple Torch Cigar Lighter. The Vertigo Cyclone Torch Lighter is a wind-resistant triple torch flame. It is lightweight and will sit in your pocket or bag without any issues. I have read reports at this lighter having a very short lifespan, and then read others that claim it's the best thing since sliced bread. My experience with this lighter has been good. I have not experienced any issues. I like the clear fuel tank as it's easy to see how much fuel is left this way. Number 4. Scorch Torch Skyline Triple Jet Flame Butane Torch Cigarette Cigar Lighter. Scorch Torch Skyline Lighter has a focus on giving the user a maximum amount of control. It is safe and easy to use with a cap that closes down over the top of the lighter where the flame emits. The external trigger is used to spark the flame, and it is equipped with an adjustable flame controller so you can maximize its versatility. This lighter is made to work well for cigars, but works equally as reliably when used while camping. It uses butane and can be refilled. Number 5. Zippo Flex Neck Utility Lighter. Zippo hasn't stuck to only one style of lighter since its inception. Different forms and shapes in a lighter are more or less useful for specific scenarios. To make something that limits your need to reach into a fire or over a flame, this Zippo has a long flexible neck that emits the flame when lit. You can adjust the flame with the dial on the side to reduce or enlarge it before lighting. This controller also increases its safety depending on the situation. Number 6. Tough Tesla Lighter 2.0. More than a lighter, the Survival Frog Tough Tesla is a tactical product you need on all your outdoor adventures. The lighter uses a 3.7-volt battery to produce 2 plasma arcs that can easily ignite all flammable materials. It is windproof and waterproof, ideal to use in strong wind or rain. A flashlight at the bottom of the lighter, emergency whistle, and paracord lanyard add further value. Practically indestructible and designed to last, this is the best windproof lighter around. Number 7. TACAMO H2 Dual Head Flameless Tesla Plasma Arc Lighter. The TACAMO H2 Arc Lighter is both lightweight and windproof, comes in hunter orange to remain visible on the ground, and included a high-visibility Ranger bead lanyard, made from patented survivor cord. This windproof lighter is perfect for daily indoor and outdoor use. Can be used to light campfires and candles, seal paracord, light fireworks, and so much more. It includes a safety cap and locks to keep children away from the hot plasma, a 10-second auto shutoff feature, and both an overcharging and overcurrent protection circuit to prevent high temperatures. Number 8. JINLUN Waterproof Dual Arc Lighter. The JINLUN Explorer is a practical plasma lighter designed with outdoor users in mind. Boasting a military design, it impresses with a durable zinc alloy and ABS plastic construction. It's perfect for shorter outings, providing around 60 uses per charge. Like the other lighters above, it has a charge time of around 2 hours. Compact size and low weight make it very easy to carry. Similar to the TACAMO, it boasts child safety features. Affordable and dependable, it's a great choice for casual camping.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.